Am I allowed to touch? They are so small.
That's 1 kg plus.
I always think like it's in the movie, you know?
That is yes.
Oh, there you go. You see this? Wait, am I allowed to film with the phone a bit making of? I mean, everybody's filming, right? Yes.
Okay. Hong Xiang, come. We're one of the.
Chess Base India, I'm gonna bother you for this content. For years. Please send it.
Send it to you after the morning.
Hey, I was quick today, right? I was quick.
We should go back up first.
Up first.
Okay. One moment. Okay. Just need to make sure it's.
Where's the one more? We do diagram especially like this. It's only for special occasions. But time to time, if there's a need, we will do it.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. How long have you been working here?
6 years.
And how difficult is it to come into a position like this where you are right now?
Actually, more of it is this industry is quite unique, right? So it's actually what you understand about gold prices at times of what is the best time to sell, buy and sell. But this is the best industry that to do investment of your money of the better returns.
So what did you study?
Study.
Yeah. Like
How did you get this role?
How did
it's
you
true,
get this role?
recommendation of a friend. Not official interview, right?
Who did you sleep with?
It's two friends. Friend recommended.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool. And how long have you been doing this?
6 years.
6 years.
And is it fine to like film and publish these? Is it okay if I hold my camera? So are these GPS tagged or something?
Not GPS.
There's a reason we're in Freeport.
Maurice? When the chessboard is here, I have a short slot to do the commentary next to it. With the chessboard.
This is the goal of Maurice.
Let me keep this clean now because I need to finish
Yes,
the
yes,
setup
absolutely.
And then I shoot them when they come. You can see
Almost $50 million.
50 million.
now you slowly
Almost. USD. Almost.
मतलब 400
So
crore.
one of those lower bricks is $1 million.
I counted same because 1 gram
Yes.
of gold is worth, we saw $108.
Okay.
1 gram. So 1 kg is worth $100,000. So and that one is 12 kgs. So that means
Could I ask you
1.2 million.
Huh. So Tanya, what is the question? What is the question?
So you have the option to get all of that gold. It's around 400 crores.
Yes, 400 crores of gold.
Yes.
50 crore है 50 करोड़ अपन ऊपर नीचे ऐसे ही कर
हाँ
रहे हैं
हाँ
आज.
हाँ ठीक है हाँ.
Okay, beyond the point, it doesn't matter. So 350 crores, but the cost of that is that for 1 year, you have no connection with chess. So you can't go to chess tournaments. There's no video being uploaded on ChessBase India or clips. ChessBase India is shut for a year and no chess for you for 1 year.
शर्ट तो ये लोग सब लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं वो
350 करोड़ का डिवीजन मिलेगा ना हम लोग को.
इनको बोनस जाएगा ना उसमें से कुछ तो दोगे.
I was thinking कि
अरे 1 year of chess versus 350 crores, what do you pick?
350 crores and then invested into
A new channel.
making a
न्यू चैनल.
no not channel
सोच रहा था
making
300 करोड़ में कितना सुपर
amazing tournament.
कितना टैलेंट कितना I mean crabs I mean
You can't do
pro
anything
chess
about chess. You cannot. No, but you can't. After 1 year.
after 1 year
So you'll take the money.
because
Okay, what about 5 years? फिर भी ले
नहीं 5 ईयर में वैल्यूएशन ड्रॉप हो रहा है.
5 years थोड़ा ज्यादा
5 years, you can do what you want except chess.
no 5 years में तो we will get new people people into chess.
In 5 years में तो Chessbase India से ही हमको 350 करोड़ मिल जाएंगे.
Can we put that? Can we give that money to someone else?
Yeah, me.
Then we'll take the money. क्योंकि खुद रख के कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. Nothing is gotten by keeping things for yourself. You have to spread it.
No, but you can spend it. It's not that आपको बैंक में रखना पड़ेगा. आपको
Spend करूँगा ना, spread करेंगे.
हाँ तो स्प्रेड कर सकते हो. आपको किसी ने मना नहीं किया.
अरे सिर्फ chess पे नहीं, for that
हाँ,
one
तो
year.
ठीक है.
हाँ?
Otherwise, हमें 5 years का क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? We take 300 crores.
Yeah.
And then we basically start something for chess with the 300 crores.
Even
which
now we are
more
actually doing the
people
same
actually-
thing.
The choice is between something that you deeply, deeply love, which is chess, your channel, and between a lot of money.
But money for chess, no. If you say chess is out of our life, then
Forever, you mean?
I think
Okay, actually, what if that's the case?
No, no. Then obviously, what will do with that money?
300 crores is a little less. If you can make it 3,000 crores,
Then you'd consider it.
then I would take
Then
it and
marginal utility कुछ भी
no,
नहीं
I would give it
है.
away everything. And anyway, I want to go to Himalayas, no, so I will go.
That's an interesting. वैसे भी 3,000 crores, so we select 3,000 chess players from India, talented, and then you give them 1 crore.
Arey, but wait, the point is that you can take the money, but you can't have anything to do with the chessboard. Would you be sacrificing
We'll give it
that?
to you. You do it.
So 300 crore is not good enough because वो तो वैसे ही सुपर चैट से बन जाएगा.
सुपर चैट से 300 करोड़ बनेगा. इसका थोड़ा हाई ड्रीम.
परसों से
मुझे
शुरू
इसका
कर रहे हैं
अच्छा
हम
लग
वर्ल्ड
रहा है.
चैंपियनशिप. प्लीज
300
करोड़.
का
सुपर चैट
Super
टारगेट
chat.
300 करोड़.
वो होता है ना एक लाइन
हाँ,
लगाते हैं लोग
हाँ.
और फिर where it meets the mark. I think we should put that.
Yes.
Main problem of the world is they think that money can buy you happiness, money can change you, money से ये होगा, money से वो होगा. सोने से कुछ नहीं होता है, पैसों से कुछ नहीं होता है. That's the whole point.
नहीं हो रहा है ना, ये टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है ना, सोने से पैसे से हो रहा है टूर्नामेंट.
वही तो,
अच्छे ले
but
सकते हैं, फटे हुए नहीं. और ये किटकैट भी खा सकते हैं.
तुम किटकैट गोल्ड खाओ.
इधर सब गोल्ड ही है.
अरे मरने ही वाला है ना एंड में, क्या ही लेके जाना है. वो गाना था ना, वो कौन सा, नंगा ऊपर जाएंगे.
खाली हाथ आए थे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, नंगा नहीं जाएंगे बोला.
नंगा भी मैग्नस पूल में जाते हैं.
फाबी के साथ.